In this video by McClure Tables, we'll show you how to set up and install the Liberty Shuffleboard Table. Bring each cabinet half in and set it on their side on some moving pads or blankets. You can assemble the legs from the side. There are 4 bolts that come in through the top that you have to peel back the carpet for, and there are 2 bolts that come in from the side. The legs on all of our tables are always stamped and numbered. Line up the legs with the cabinet marking and make sure that the number is going in the same direction. Simply peel back the carpet tabs and put the bolts in through the top of the cabinet. It might be a good idea on the Liberty model to get all 4 bolts in the top and the 2 bolts on the side started before you tighten any of them up. Once you tighten all the bolts, both the side and the top, you can lift the cabinet up and put it upright. This is a 2-piece cabinet, and so the 2 halves go together. The carpet's cut long, and we'll explain in a little while why that is. Peel back the carpet, line up the dowels on the side, and pull the 2 halves together. Next, put the tight joints in and slowly tighten up each half until the cabinet pulls together. The carpet is done similar to wallpaper. Overlap both pieces and cut through both of them together. Don't do this at the joint. Do it opposite so that the powder won't fall through onto the floor. McClure tables are each custom made one at a time. You can order options like dining tops. McClure tables are handcrafted in Michigan, made in America with pride.